Okay, so I'm gonna put my clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, everything right here. Sitting on the ground kind of works pretty good for this because I have to get down low to do it. I got my new flywheel, so we'll get it. It's a smaller flywheel than the one that I had on here earlier. I actually bought this one brand new. Went out and paid for it with my hard-earned cash. Everything. That other flywheel was a big old truck flywheel. I guess if I wanted to drag race and really needed a heavy duty flywheel, I could have went with something like that, but I didn't need to. Not really. And you know, where I'm running a hydraulic clutch and running it in a super lightweight car, just didn't make sense to be hauling out all that unnecessary weight. Well, that is a lot lighter than that little big one I was wrestling with the other day. Let's see, so this little dot here goes where that little dot there is, and that's how you line this thing up. And this is obviously the back, because the front needs to be the side that the clutch is going to slide on. So this is going to go on here like this. And I do have some new bolts for that I also bought. Oh, the joy. Nothing like the smell of new car parts in the morning. Or the afternoon, actually. There's probably a certain torque that's required for this, but I don't know what it is. Other than tighten it up about as tight as you can. I could probably look it up on the internet, because that's where everybody finds out everything anymore. And look on the internet. Yeah, I'll snug these down first. I've done these enough to know that they're going to be 11/16. Oh, the joy. Yeah, I could be wrong. It could be 5/8. Actually, if I had my old long wrench, it'd work better, easier. These new wrenches have this little tilt over head that I like a lot. Makes it possible to spin this without having to turn that whole long wrench handle. Oh, the joy. Back before anybody invented air wrenches, we used to have little, screw jack ratchet handles. In fact, I'm pretty sure I got one in the back of a truck down in Georgia, or probably in my garage or somewhere down there. Now these got funny little heads on them, but I'm guessing they could be some kind of metric thing. Whatever they are, we're still gonna tighten them up.